Arrive in style with this Audi 2013 A4 4-door Sdn Auto Quattro 2.0T Premium. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, locking limited slip differential, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance and temporary spare tire. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.